to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No. So
Hello everyone, out here today with the Outcast 4S. I'm going to give her some runs on 3S and 4S, see how she performs. Got the speed logger on, zeroed out, set to peak power. We'll give it a run on 3S first, see how she goes. If you like what we're doing, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon and click likes please, it all helps. Okay, let's see how she goes on 3S. Oh, that didn't help. Alright, we go from this end. I can see it better before it goes into shadows. And we got 36 out of it that time. Let's see how she goes now. .38 on 3S. Okay, so you guys can see that it hits a 38 miles an hour on 3S. I might have to adjust the slipper coax. I mean, it's not. Once it gets up, on 3S, it will wheelie, but it doesn't want to wheelie easily. Okay everyone, that's 38 miles an hour on the 3S. We're going to change it over to the 4S. Running on these Rhino 5000 milliamp hour 50C discharge batteries. I've just given it the run on the 3S batteries that I tend to use for general bashing. Is the Turnigy heavy duties. Turnigy heavy duty 5000 milliamp 60C is what it's just run on. Get this Rhino in there, 4S, and see how she goes on 4S. Bit of a tight fit this Rhino, had to Dremel out the end bit to allow the battery leads to come out, and then I'll put some yoga mat underneath it just to give it a bit of protection underneath on these soft cases. Called reset it, 4S run. It's a lot harder to keep that nose down now. A lot harder to keep that nose down. We got there about that time. Oh, there it goes. Every single time that pings off. Wait for the proper Velcro to turn up. Right, what did we run at? 45. Looks like we'll go about 45 out of 4S. Give it one more go. So hard to get it up to that speed without it wheeling. It just wants to wheelie, guys, but then we knew that anyway. Oh shit, sugar. Oh, that's what I was fearing. Okay guys, finally got it back after going in the bush. I'm not going to take any more chances. It's taken me a while to find it in there. I've been stung with all the stinging nettles, but we found it. Just to confirm, it's 45 on the 4S.
Don't you be afraid.